Good day, everyone. I am Rica Meiji San Juan, presenting the work of Group 6, entitled Beauty Care Services or Nail Care and C2 Superseded. This presentation focuses on the common competencies needed in nail care services, especially in maintaining professionalism, quality service, and safe work environment. First unit of competency is maintain an effective relationship with clients or customers. So, we included this unit of competency because in beauty care services, having a good relationship with clients is very important. So, the service is not only about nail care skills but also about how we communicate, listen, and respond to customers. So for l- learning objectives, maintain a professional image. So this learning outcomes was included because the first impression is important in the beauty industry. So we need to look neat, clean, and presentable to gain the trust of the client. A professional image, conflict, credibility, and proper work ethics. So, for learning objectives to meet client or customers' requirements, we put this because the main goal of the service is to satisfy the needs of the client. So, this includes listening to their preferences, understanding their concerns, and providing the service they requested. So for LO3, build credibility with clients. So this is important because credibility helps client trust our skills and services. So when clients are satisfied, they are more likely to come back and recommend our service to others. So second unit of competency is manage own performance. So we included this unit because beauty care workers must know how to manage their time, task, and work performance effectively. So for LO1, plan for completion of own workload. So this LO was included because planning helps organize the work properly. It ensures that all tasks are done on time and in the correct order. For the second LO, maintain quality of our own performance. So we put this because the quality service is one of the standards in nail care services. The work should always be clean, accurate, and meet client expectations. Third unit of competency is apply quality standards. So the first learning objectives is assess client service needs. So we included this because before starting the service, it is important because to know what the client really needs. This help in giving the most suitable nail care service. For LO2 or learning objectives 2, assess own work. So this learning objective is included because self-evaluation helps improve to the quality of work by checking our own work. We can correct mistakes and improve our service. So for the last unit of competency, maintain a safe, clean, and efficient work environment. So we include this because safety and cleanliness are essential in nail care services to prevent infection and ensure client safety. So for learning objective 1, comply with health regulations. So it is important because tools and materials must always be sanitized and the workplace should be clean. So this protect both of the clients, and the service providers. So, each unit of competency and learning objective was taken from the test the training regulations, and we included them because these are the required standards, skills, and knowledge needed in beauty care services. So that's all everyone. Thank you.